guys, malapit na ating buksan. And maglagay na tayo ng mag-shortcut tayo guys. Okay. Guys. Okay, guys. Malapit na ang pagbubukas ng ating pagbubukas. Ay, wayam! Ay, wayam! Ay, wayam! Ay, wayam! This is not the parsley. This is not the parsley. You can add parsley leaves or coriander leaves. Wala akong coriander, guys. So, I have here my parsley, frozen parsley leaves. Para meron tayong colorful. Color combination. Ayan na siya, guys. Woo! Okay. Let's assume na nag-simmer na siya for 15 to 20 minutes. Yan na siya, guys, ang itsura niya. Yan. Then, dagdagan na natin siya ng green. Lagyan natin siya parsley and spring onions. Okay? Kunyari, luto na siya, guys. Lulutuin ko to after ko malagay. After I put this, I will still going to cook for more additional minutes, guys. Kunyari lang to, let's assume na cook na siya, na simmer na for 20 minutes. So, ganyan na ang itsura niya, guys. It's ready to serve. Okay? Yan na siya. May green grass of home. Yan. Yan na siya, guys. Ang ating stew. So, that's all for today's video. I'll see you again tomorrow. Thank you for watching. Ayan na siya, guys, ang ating chicken salona. Arabic chicken salona. Ayan na siya, guys. So, that's all for today's video. I'll see you again tomorrow. Please like, share, and subscribe. Bye! See you tomorrow. Thank you for watching.